Lavanga, Lavanga, 18 definitions. Published by Wisdom Library. Introduction. Lavanga means something in Hinduism, Sanskrit, Buddhism, Pali, the history of ancient India, Marathi. If you want to know the exact meaning, history, etymology or English translation of this term, then check out the descriptions on this page. Add your comment or reference to a book if you want to contribute to the summary article. In Hinduism, Kavya poetry. Lavanga is the cravo of Cassia dar otter, i.e. cloves, Caryophyllus aromaticus, Linn. See what, op. Cit. Vol. E. p. 205, who says. They are also chewed in pan. Kavya refers to Sanskrit poetry, a popular ancient Indian tradition of literature. There have been many Sanskrit poets over the ages, hailing from ancient India and beyond. This topic includes Mahakavya, or epic poetry, and Natya, or dramatic poetry. Ayurveda, science of life. Lavanga, lavang, the Sanskrit name for an important Ayurvedic drug. The flower buds are used. It is fragrant, bitter, pungent, cold, pacifies pitta and kapha and restores vayu to its normal course. Lavanga, lavang, refers to one of the fruits used in the treatment of aggravated phlegm, according to the 17th century Bhojana Kutuhala, Drivya Guna Guna Kathana, and is commonly found in literature dealing with the topics of dietetics and culinary art, also known as Pakasastra or Pakakala. Procedure to alleviate kapha, phlegm, after meals. The excess phlegm in the human body can lead to the weakening of digestive fire. Sleeping immediately after the meal will result in the aggravation of phlegm. The excess phlegm must be alleviated by employing fumes of the fragrant substances or consuming fruits, like lavanga. After a meal, one must walk a few steps. Practicing this lightens the food mass and imparts comfort in the neck, knees and loins. Lavanga, clove, is mentioned in a list of remedies for indigestion. A complete section in Bhojana Kutuhala is devoted for the description of agents that cause indigestion, viz. Fini. These agents consumed on a large scale can cause indigestion for certain people. The remedies, viz. Lavanga, clove, for these types of indigestions are also explained therewith. Lavanga, lavang, refers to the medicinal plant known as Syzygium aromaticum, FL, BD, and is used in the Ayurvedic formulation known as Sirvanaprasa, an Ayurvedic health product that helps in boosting immunity. Sirvanaprasa has been found to be effective as an immunity booster, vitalizer and a preventer of day-to-day infections and allergies such as common cold and cough etc. It is a classical Ayurvedic formulation comprising ingredients such as lavanga. Sirvanaprasa can be consumed in all seasons as it contains weather-friendly ingredients which nullify unpleasant effects due to extreme environmental and climatic conditions. Lavanga, lavang, or lavata refers to the medicinal plant Syzygium aromaticum L. Sin. Eugenia aromaticum Merrill and Perry. Sin. Eugenia caryophyllata thumb, and is used in the treatment of atisara, diarrhea, according to the 7th century Madhava Sakitsa chapter 2. Atisara refers to a condition where there are 3 or more loose or liquid stools, bowel movements, per day or more stool than normal. The second chapter of the Madhava Sakitsa explains several preparations, including lavanga, through 60 Sanskrit verses about treating this problem. Lavanga, lavang, refers to the medicinal plant known as Syzygium aromaticum, Linn. Merrill and Perry, and is dealt with in the 15th century Yogashara Sangraha, by Vasudeva, an unpublished Keralite work representing an Ayurvedic compendium of medicinal recipes. The Yogashara Sangraha, mentioning lavanga, deals with entire recipes in the route of administration, and thus deals with the knowledge of pharmacy, Bhasaja Kalpana, which is a branch of pharmacology, Drivya Guna. Ayurveda is a branch of Indian science dealing with medicine, herbalism, taxology, anatomy, surgery, alchemy and related topics. Traditional practice of Ayurveda in ancient India dates back to at least the 1st millennium BC. Literature is commonly written in Sanskrit using various poetic meters. Purana and Itihasa, epic history. Lavanga, lavang, or Lavangavalli refers to the clove creeper, according to the Shiva Purana 2.2.21. Accordingly, as Brahma narrated to Narada, when Kama, god of love, reached the vicinity of Siva, spring spread all his splendor in accord with the inclination of the Lord. Rendering the breeze fragrant with its smell, the clove creeper, Lavanga Valley, fascinated the minds of passionate people with its sweetness. Lavanga, lavang, represents the food taken in the month Jyeshtha for the Anangatrayodasi Vrat, according to the 10th century Saura Purana, one of the various Upapuranas depicting Saivism. Accordingly, the Anangatrayodasi Vrat is observed in honor of Siva for acquiring virtue, great fortune, wealth and for destruction of sins. This Vrat is to be performed for a year from Margazira. In Jyeshtha, the toothbrush is that of Aswatha wood. The food taken is lavanga. The deity to be worshipped is Pradyumna. The flowers used in worship are Malika. The Navedya offerings is Sohalika. The result accrued equals Vajapaya. The Puranas, refers to Sanskrit literature preserving ancient India's vast cultural history, including historical legends, religious ceremonies, various arts and sciences. The 18 Mahapuranas total over 400,000 shlokas, metrical couplets, and date to at least several centuries BCE. India history and geography. Lavanga is the name of a tree mentioned in the Kathasarit Sagara by Somadeva, 10th century AD. Lavanga refers to the clove tree, and is always mentioned with the Ela Bakula trees. Somadeva mentions many rich forests, gardens, various trees, e.g., lavanga, creepers, medicinal and flowering plants and fruit-bearing trees in the Kathasarit Sagara. Travel through the thick, high, impregnable and extensive Vindhya forest is a typical feature of many travel stories. Somadeva's writing more or less reflects the life of the people of northern India during the 11th century. His Kathasarit Ocean of Streams of Story, mentioning Lavanga, is a famous Sanskrit epic story revolving around Prince Naravahanaditta and his quest to become the emperor of the Vidyadharas, celestial beings. The history of India traces the identification of countries, villages, towns and other regions of India, as well as royal dynasties, rulers, tribes, local festivities and traditions and regional languages. Ancient India enjoyed religious freedom and encourages the path of dharma, a concept common to Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. Languages of India and abroad. Pali English Dictionary. Lavanga, NT, the cloves. Pali is the language of the Tipitaka, which is the sacred canon of Theravada Buddhism and contains much of the Buddha's speech. Closely related to Sanskrit, both languages are used interchangeably between religions. Marathi English Dictionary. Lavanga, Lavang, F.S. The clove tree, Myristica or Eugenia caryophyllata, 2a clove. 3 an ear ornament of gold and sea, in shape resembling a clove. 4 wild clove tree, Eugenia acres. Lavanga, Lavang, F.a clove, the clove tree. Marathi is an Indo-European language having over 70 million native speakers people in predominantly Maharashtra, India. Marathi, like many other Indo-Aryan languages, evolved from early forms of Prakrit, which itself is a subset of Sanskrit, one of the most ancient languages of the world. Sanskrit Dictionary. Lavanga, Lavang, Luangakan. 1.112, the clove plant, Dvipatranitalvang pushpae, Dvipantaranitalavanga pushpai, R6.57, Lilitalvangalta prishilan komal milya samire, Lalita lavangalita parisilane komala malaya samaya, Git.1. Derivable forms, Lavanga, Lavanga. Lavanga, Lavang, M. Na, the clove tree, Myristica caryophyllata. N. Gum cloves. A. Lu to cut, Anadi AFF. Angak, also with can added, Lavangaka. Lavanga, Lavang, masculine, the clove tree, neuter cloves. Lavanga, Lavang, Na, 1. M. N. Clove tree, its fruit. Lavanga, Lavang, M. Gewürznelkenbaum, N. Gewürznelke, UJJVAL. Zu Anadi Shutra 1, 119. Amarikosa 2, 6, 3, 27. Hemachandra's Abhidhana Chintamani 646. Ramayana 5, 74, 5. Varamahira's Brajjatak S 27, 4. Kathasarit 111, 15. Panka, 1, 10, 50. Pushpa, Raghuvansa 6, 57. Lata, Gita Govinda 1, 27. Sushruta 1, 215, 6. 243, 19. 2, 137, 10. ALBYROUNY, B, Memva Geography 343. Lavanga, Lavang. 1. M. Gewürznelkenbaum, N. Gewürznelke, Rajan 12, 82. Bhavaprakasa 1188. Madanapalas Madanavinoda 41, 22. 2. F. I Nomen Propria Minor Apsaras, Balaramayana 89, 7. Sanskrit, also spelled Sanskritam, is an ancient language of India commonly seen as the grandmother of the Indo-European language family, even English. Closely allied with Prakrit and Pali, Sanskrit is more exhaustive in both grammar and terms and has the most extensive collection of literature in the world, greatly surpassing its sister languages Greek and Latin. See also relevant definitions. Relevant text.
भागो।